Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to open Angular project in VS Code. First you should install VS Code by going to VS Code official website, and then you can write this command code and then your Angular project name. So after typing this, wait for some time. It will automatically open VS Code editor including all the configuration files. So yeah, now it's opened. As you can see, all these configuration files on the left are automatically there. So these all are the configuration files which were automatically added when we made our project by using ng-new. This is the main folder source in which we will be working in the next section of our videos. So all these configuration files inside source folder is very important. So this app component right here, as you can see, this will be the main component in which we will be working most of the time, because this component will be rendered on our web page. Okay, so this is the HTML, plain HTML file, no need to worry anything. So we are just gonna now make some changes, but let's first open terminal. You can go to view menu. Okay, wait, you can go to view menu and then you can go to terminal. Click on terminal, small window will be opened on the down. There you can execute all the CLI commands. Okay, wait for some time. My laptop is kind of slow, so have patience. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, so now it's finally opened. So now what we will do is we will write one small command, ng serve and then dash dash open, which will open this project on the web page. Okay, so wait. So as you can see, now it's compiling all the files. Okay, after successful compilation, this web page will open. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the title. So let's go to this .ts file, which means TypeScript file, which is nothing but same as JavaScript. You can say the subscript or like superscript, like father of JavaScript. Okay, all commands will be same, just there will be some type restrictions. Okay, so here you can change the title variable and then just save. Automatically it will compile after saving, and in a few minutes you can see the changes in your browser. Okay, so wait for some time and you can now open your browser. Your changes all will be reflected in a few minutes. So yeah, now you can see all your changes, title is changed. So stay tuned for upcoming videos.